Hi kids! So it looks like some of you are having a hard time getting to the Storyworks article. I'm not sure why it worked last time, but it won't work this time. Technology. But I want to go ahead and just quickly show you how to do that, just in case you are having a hard time. So you're going to need that Storyworks article for this assignment and for this assignment. And Storyworks is something you're going to need for the rest of our time this summer. So let's go ahead. Here we're looking at clicking on the link to the assignment. Yours will look something similar to this. This is the Google Doc that you'll fill out after you read the article, and this is the article. So what you're going to want to do is open the link to the article, and it'll pop up and ask you to log in. Again, not sure why it's asking you to log in this time, but not last time. So logging in as a student, they have assigned us the password mapcool1. Click sign in. It will take you to the article, but what I discovered is it doesn't open the article. So what you can do though is if you go down to the actual issue, the actual magazine, May-June 2017, it will open up the entire magazine. And what you can do is just scroll down to the debate article that we're working on this week. Is it okay to sneak food into the movie theaters? Click that link and then it will go ahead and open the article for you so you can read it. So you've got some different options to read the story, some different levels as far as difficulty of the text. So again, that's where you can get to your Storyworks article. Let me know if you have questions. Bye-bye.